Hello, this video is for you students. I'm going to show you how to save an image, a picture from math apps. Your teacher might want you to do some work on the math apps, which is a Math Learning Center website. And if you need to share it with them, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So here I have a teacher that's helping me out, and I'm going to go in there and I'm going to go to the math folder. Your teacher should have a math folder or something that gets you in there. They're going to have an assignment. I'm going to click on it. There will be a link, and they might say, I might say, use this link to show the work. So you're going to click on that link. And as I click on that link, it's going to bring me up to the Math Learning Center, and you're going to come up with something that the teacher might have already pre-made. So here's a number 134. The teacher has asked me to show 3 ways to make 134. And let's say I only showed her 2, and she's like, you need to do 1 more. I'm like, okay. So I had already done 134 on my first one as I practice. So I'm going to make 134 again. I had made it the simplest way, which is to do it with 100, 3 10s, and 4 1s. The second way I had decomposed the hundreds. So I'm like, what's a different way I can do it? You know what? I'm going to decompose a 10. So I'm going to highlight it, and here I can decompose it, break it apart. So there I break it apart. And I can, make it look like it's completely separate so that they can see it looks different, okay? So this still makes 134. It's just a different way of making 134. I just decomposed a 10. So I want to show my teacher that I did it this way by decomposing a 10. I want to share it with my teacher. So you're going to go down here where it has a little square and a share button. You're going to press it. And you're going to save the image. When you save it, it's going to go down here, and you want to make sure you know what it says, my number piece. Remember that. You're going to go back to your Schoology. There should be a tab up there for Schoology. You're going to click on it. And then you see I had already submitted 1, 2. This is my third one because she wanted 3 ways. So I'm going to resubmit. If it's your first one, it will just say submit assignment. So I'm going to resubmit. It can be either way, whether you submit first or resubmit. You're always going to get this box when you click on it to submit an assignment. And you're going to go here where it says file because you want to download a file. You're going to go to downloads because it was downloaded, okay? Now here I can see the pictures. It might be that you might only get it looking like this. And you're like, well, I don't know which one it is. So you need to go to the top right here, and you need to click it where you can see the picture. See, I did that. I'm like, oh, I still can't see my picture. Click it again until you get it big enough. I have medium. If it's still too small, you can go to the large icons. Click it again. By then, I can see what it looks like. That's the one I want because it has all those ones I remember. So I'm going to click on it. You can click open or you can double click. So now that that's a little check in there, I'm going to put open. And there it is. Then I'm going to submit it. If you want to add a comment, you can. All right, so now you see 3 different ones. And if I want to see what it looks like, you can click on what you just put in to check if you want to make sure. And there it is. That it's coming in. You'll see it. There is my picture. See how my 10s were decomposed? And if you want to look at the other 2 ways you did it to remember, you can go up here and I can see my second one was different than my third one. I want to make sure I did put a different one. There it is. That one I only decomposed the 10s, and I can see the very first one that I did was in doing the 100 and the 10s and the 1s. Okay, so I know for sure, yep, I did it. This is exactly how I look. If you want to check, that's how you can check, and that's how you save an image and put it into your Schoology for your teacher to see.